Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number B9096P. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, magnetic gray in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's 2 years and 40,000 miles longer than the factory powertrain. Also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats full flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large, easy to operate radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and backup camera display, of course, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9096P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.